Hi everyone, welcome to Career Views. I am Nancy. I'm the principal consultant at Career Views. I help many professionals to elevate their career dreams. Today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about some facts that you must consider before starting a salary negotiation. A lot of people will tell you a lot of basic tips like do your research, give them a range. A lot of people will give you advices like understand your value, do a market research, give them a range, borrow some time before you get back to them, so on and so forth. But today we will talk about these things. They are important, but there are some other factors that you must understand thoroughly before you get into any kind of salary negotiation. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any career tips from me. A lot of people are watching my videos. I'm so grateful to them. The statistics show that 93% of the videos on an average are seen by the people who have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please guys, do subscribe. I'll be really happy to see more and more subscribers and my channel grow. So without any further ado, let's get started with the salary negotiation tips. So let's start with the things that you should not do when it comes to salary negotiation. Suppose a recruiter calls you, never tell them the bare minimum that you would accept, because this way you'll be really disappointed with the offer. Companies tend to send a lower offer than the expected salary so that they have a room for negotiation. When they are playing their cards very safe, you must also not disclose them the exact figure of your current salary. Do not change your words very frequently. Do not be shaky when you are asking for a certain amount or a certain figure. If they find you less confident, that plays negatively in the eyes of the recruiter or the negotiator. Have a very clear idea of what is the most important aspect of this job for you before you start the negotiation. Sometimes it's better to compromise and take the offer for the company's sake. Maybe it's a big four and you see a high prospect of growth. In that case, do not play very harsh. Always remember, companies expect you to negotiate. Do not ever feel that if I negotiate too much, the company might feel I'm a greedy candidate or I'm asking too much. Do it in the right way, but make sure you do not straight away accept an offer without any negotiation. It will be your salary for a very long time. Do not repent not negotiating it at the right time. In any case, do not reveal your current salary until you have an interview. You can always mention your expected salary so that recruiters know you are within their budget, but do not give them the current salary. Do not mention your current salary unless you're being interviewed. Tell the recruiters very clearly that you would like to mention it once you clear the interview. For now, you'll be only in a position to provide them with your expectations. If still a recruiter insists you that you should tell us your current salary, do check if there is a privacy clause in your employment contract. Sometimes employers refrain you from disclosing your salary to any of the external agencies or anybody who is not associated with the organization. You should know and understand what are the privacy clauses in your employment contract. This also gives you a leverage of not mentioning your current salary to the recruiter who has just called you for the first time. Always judge, how did your interview go? Were there many candidates? How did you fare in the interview? Were the recruiters or the hiring managers looked happy with your interview performance? Your interview performance matters a lot. So you can easily judge that if the interviewers or the hiring managers were happy with your performance. That would make your negotiation more stronger or weaker. Even if you are being promised of giving an increase in 6 months' time or after your probation or probably 1 year, don't fall prey for such sentences. These sentences are just mere words without any formal contract or anything in written. So do not get carried away that I may get an increase if I take this offer now. It is just a way of company to negotiate and bring good candidates on board. So stand your ground. And your best bet, if you're not sure about the salary, about the benefits, about the company, find some people working in a similar role in similar organizations. Talk to them. Find your connections. They may give you a range or they may suggest you in a better way. Borrow some time to get back to the company or the recruiter about accepting the offer. Do thoroughly your research. Have a clear mindset whether you are ready to go ahead with this figure as your monthly take home. Do not forget the tax deductions that you have. Do not forget the benefits associated along with the salary, the commute time, how happy your family is if you work with this particular organization. Keep them in confidence. Talk to them. Take personal advice with your friends and family. And at the same time, reach out to professionals or your seniors. People are more than willing to help and share advice sometimes. We just need to ask. My last tip would be always state your salary as per your value addition. Whatever work or job description is the demand of this particular profession, make sure you have the right skills to add value and you're very confident to deliver. If you're confident about your skills and about your value addition, you can definitely ask your salary range more confidently. So ask your salary as per your value addition. At the same time, of what the company budget is, what is your asking, what is your current, what is your expectation. Do not miss to consider the value addition and what you are bringing to the table. I hope these tips would really help you to negotiate your salary well. Do let me know in the comments how you are liking my videos. If you want me to make more videos on a certain topic, do let me know. I wish you all the very best for your salary or job offer negotiation. Do let me know how does it goes for you. Do subscribe to my channel, do press the bell icon and stay tuned to Career Views. Thank you for watching.